If your goal was to learn some new exercises, then this is the video for you. In your beginning exercises, you learn the row, the squat, and the plank or the push-up, depending on what your strength level is. And where do you go from there next? We continue with the foundation of exercises, things such as lunges, another type of a row, another type of a plank, and or push-up variations, and of course, direct abdominal work. So it's important to know that everybody's starting point is different, and you might have strength in certain areas, you might have injuries, you might have situations or issues with different body parts. Some people have some knee issues or low back issues or shoulder issues. So it's always best to get with a certified trainer and have them help you make a plan for what you want to accomplish. So in the rest of this video, I'm going to show you those 4 different exercises and some variations. Put all of those exercises together, so that would be 7 different exercises you would be working on based on the first sequence and then these. You can also split it up into upper body on one day, lower body in the next day. Now you don't want to do the same exact exercise 2 days in a row. You have to give your body a chance to recover. I'm going to show you how to do the exercises and give you some tips and some pointers on what to focus on. Now the first one we'll be doing is an alternating squat. Step to one side, come in, step to the other side, come in. If we were using dumbbells with this, we would keep them at the side. So you would step out, do a regular squat, step in. Keep in mind, this is a squat. It's not a side lunge. You do not want to be going like that. Okay, so you step out, you get that squat, and you step back in. The lunge with the rotation is going to be your regular lunge, step forward, bend straight down and drive off that heel. I'm going to go ahead and alternate legs on this one. Stop, drop, drive off that heel, working with the front leg. The rotation, you're going to come down, you're going to turn, come back to the center. Now, if you lose your stability, then don't turn as much. It's not as much about how far around you can go, because there's only so far you can go. So just focus on staying steady, turning, and in. If we have a dumbbell, they're going to stay right here by our side. You're always turning towards your front leg. All right, so you step out and stop. That's the leg you're turning towards. And you know, sometimes you're going to be better balanced on one leg, like I am on this one, versus the other leg. And that happens. Just focus more. That's your weaker side. Side row seated is done the same as standing. When you're seated, you're going to get to the edge of your chair, keep your back straight, hinge at the hips, and then bring those dumbbells up towards your armpits, squeezing your shoulder blades together and sticking your chest forward. Focus on the upper back. The plank and plank jacks. Get in position for a plank with the arms straight, then pull your shoulders back and down towards your hips. Straighten your body. Hold the stomach and lower back together tightly. Then you can tap out to the side for level 1. You can also do the full plank jack, in and out, nice and slowly. For advanced, you can speed that jack up. The lower abdominal curl, pressing that lower back into the floor, focusing on the belly button going right through the spine and to the floor, getting those lower abdominals to activate, not using your legs. It's only the hips that go slightly upward. You can add the crunch at the same time, but remember, you've got to keep those hips working on the lower abdominals, just like that pelvic tilt.